Hello and welcome to the SnoMech channel. Today I'm sharing my project where I implemented login, register, and forgot password functionalities in Unreal Engine. In this project, I exclusively used C++ and completed the integration through a RESTful API with MySQL. Be sure to watch until the end for all the details. Let's get started. This screen is designed for login processes. The buttons at the bottom are clickable and can also be controlled via the keyboard, thanks to the enhanced input system. Now let's click the Register button. Here we have a simple registration system consisting of 3 different fields. We press the Escape key to go back and then click the Forgot button. Here there is a field for the email address only. First, we enter the email address we used during registration. Then we can either press the Enter key or click one of the Forgot buttons. After clicking, we receive a notification and continue by pressing the Yes button. The email is checked via the API, and we wait for a response. If the email exists and a mail has been sent, the system provides a response. Now we log into our Gmail account, and as you can see, a recovery email has arrived. The email contains our username and password. This is how we can retrieve our password. Now let's test the forgot process through Swagger. We enter the email address and click the Execute button. Then we check the response value. We fill in the username, password, and email fields. For now, I am entering the existing username and email address. After filling in the fields, we click the Register button, and a notification appears. We confirm the registration by clicking the Yes button. We encounter an error message indicating that the username is already taken. We close the notification by clicking Anywhere and then try a different username. We try to register again. We encounter another error message indicating that the email address is already in use. We close the notification by clicking Anywhere and then try a different email address. After making the changes, we try to register again, and the registration is successfully completed. Now let's test the register process through Swagger. We enter the username, password, and email information, then click the Execute button. Next we check the response value. If the user creation is successful, it returns the user's GUID. Let's verify this in MySQL Workbench. Upon refreshing, we can see that the new user has been added to the database. We fill in the username and password fields. Then we press the Login button or the Enter key. The API validates the username and password, causing a brief delay during the process. If the username and password are correct, we are redirected to the loading screen. Now let's test the login process through Swagger. We enter the username and password, then click the Execute button. Next, we check the response value and access all the information related to the user. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support me, you can check out the Patreon link in the description.